Okay, this little video here, we're going to give you door panel removal how-to on a, I want to say 97 through 03 F150. Pretty easy if it's manual doors. Power doors ain't that much more difficult. You just got the switches to deal with. But this is how you remove the door panel on a 97 through 2003 F150. Okay, like I said, this is just a manual door. It's not power. So it's real simple. Let's see if I can set this camera where you can see how I'm doing it. Okay, you just got the little cover over your door handle, or window crank I guess you call it. Just kind of pop it loose. Get behind it with a pick. And you just kind of pull it up. Well, always easier said than done. Trying not to mess the rest of the door handle up. Any other time it'd pop right up. Try the other side. This won't be difficult. Unsnap it. Slide it to the side like that. Got a Torx bit, T15 I believe. Pull the Torx screw out. Slide the window crank off. Don't lose your screw. Okay, then you take your pick. Get behind your door handle cover. It just snaps off, pops in. Slide it off. Then you got the back piece of molding up here. It just pops in, take it off. Then you got two screws. One screw here. Phillips screws at that. And then one screw behind the door handle. Okay, then that's the only screws you got. Then you just take your door panel, you pull up, pop it off. And if you got any lights, wires, switches, you unplug them. But that's how you remove the door panel on a 97 to 03 F150 manual doors. Piece of cake. Okay, the reason we had the door panel off, we had a speaker cracking. It's busted in here. You can't really see. If you look right there, you see how it's separating right there. So anyway, we went and pulled one out of the parts truck. When you got a busted speaker like that, you got to, and I can't stand that. I don't listen to the radio much going down the road myself, but if I do, I don't want one of the speakers going. So that's why we pulled the door panel off, and now we'll get ready to put it back on. Okay, to put the door panel on, just everything back in reverse. Let's see here. Hold on one second. Thing line up. Okay, there it is, back on. Easy off, easy on. 2000, well, 97 through 2003, I believe it is, F150. That's how you take a door panel on and off. Thanks everybody for tuning in. 256 Garage out.